All right, so here's problem number 43 from the review assignment for chapter 5. To make this problem make sense, let's talk about how my computer seems to take on a mind of its own. There we go. Let's talk about something that we found, that when I integrated from 0 to 1 of the velocity of t dt, what did I get? I got displacement. And if velocity was in meters per second and time was in second, the answer here ends up being in meters. Here's an idea. When we integrate a function, which is in, let's say, units like dollars per copy, and I integrate with respect to copies, the answer I get is in dollars. So if I integrated from 0 to 2,500.
Do you take into account the fact that the first 25 just cost 50?
Oh, okay. Well, no, that's a good idea. The first 25 costs 50. So there's $50 plus, and then I'm really not doing, the rest of it is going to be from 50 to 250? 25?
Why would it be 25 to 250 and not 0 to 2745? Why? Or 2475, sorry.
Okay, good question. Let me make sure that your point isn't the right one and I'm not wrong. Please startup costs. After which the marginal cost. I don't think this question is written well enough to know which way they mean.
I think that that's right because you're taking it from 25 to 2,500, not from 0 to 2,500. Because the 50 is 0 to 25.
Right.
And then the other part is 25 to 2,500.
I think, but John's point is, does this X represent the number of copies after the initial 25, or does that X represent the number of copies after the 0th copy? I don't think the problem is written well enough that I can distinguish which one they mean by that X.
If that says after which the marginal cost, to me at least that sounds
I think your case has got a stronger chance of being true. Okay, so I'm going to defer to your judgment on this. And I'll say, okay, from 0 to 2475. Right? I think it's certainly arguably after which. Ugh, I hate the English language. All right, so what do we do from here? We find the antiderivative. I'm going to take that 2 out. And I'm going to rewrite that x as x to the negative 1/2 power. It's really in terms of x. And I'm going to get 50 plus 2 times, I'm going to add 1 to the exponent and get positive 1/2. I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2. And I'm going to evaluate that from 0 to 2,475. And so I'm going to end up getting 50 plus 4 times 2,475 minus 4 times 0. So I don't know.
Is it the square root of 24?
Oh, sorry, the square root of 2,000. 25. There we go. And I don't know what that is off the top of my head. Somebody with a handy dandy calculator do that? Anyone? Anyone? Bueller?
It's 190. It's 200 times 4. What is times 4? It's 200.
Exactly 200?
198.997.
198.997. So essentially 199. So it ends up being 248. And the answer says 230.
I mean, maybe they meant the other.
Maybe they went the other way. Again, it's like I think this question is so poorly worded, it's hard to tell what they meant. So let's just note that if we redid it again and we integrated from 25 to 2500, you might get a slightly different answer. I'm okay with that. All right, let's call that one done.